Assalamualaikum. My name is 𝐓𝐡𝐞 𝐏𝐈𝐍𝐓𝐄 Electronic Engineering student at Fatma Jinnah Women University. I feel truly honored to participate in the Punjab Innovative Technology Expo 2025, a platform made possible by the efforts of the Punjab Higher Education Commission and Higher Education Department, Punjab. I am especially grateful to my university and its dedicated faculty members for their constant encouragement, academic guidance, and the trust they place in us to represent them. At the expo, I am going to present my project pipe inspection report. In many industries, inspecting pipeline is a serious challenge because humans cannot enter due to some constraint. Our report addresses this issue and safely inspect the pipelines, helping industry to improve safety and efficiency. This expo is an eye-opening experience. It connected us with expert innovators and mentors who offer valuable feedback. This would not have been possible without the vision of PHEC, HED, and the dedicated efforts of our university to guide and support us. Please join us on 21 April 2025 for this event. Thank you.
Stay tuned to education updates for all educational content. Join our YouTube and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Thank you.